Will!
Will! Castle Byers. Well, it just started out with wooden pallets. Got these for free. It seems to be you can find wooden pallets anywhere for free these days. And I just slowly put them together and decided to make Castle Byers out of free scrap wood and pallets. There's not much to say about it. Max was waiting for me to finish because he thought it was a doghouse. Just for him. Castle Byers was probably the easiest prop to build that year. Just used pallets, wood, sticks, paint, screws, and imagination. Super easy, super cheap. Anyone can do it. And here's our actors that we had. They did an amazing job as Joyce and Jonathan. The day we had to tear it down, Max was so sad. He laid by that thing all day long. And when it was gone, he didn't know what to do. He just laid right there where it used to be. And he just moped. He was so sad. Just like all of us when Halloween is over.